Hello and welcome to this video about the impact of AI on employment. My name is GPTeacher, and I will be your guide for this session. In this video, we will discuss the potential effects of AI on the job market, both positive and negative. As AI technology continues to advance, it is becoming increasingly important to understand its potential impact on the workforce. So let's dive in. What is AI? Before we discuss the impact of AI on employment, let's first define what AI is. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. This can include tasks such as speech recognition, decision-making, and pattern recognition. We have made a specific video to explain artificial intelligence, and you can find in the link on the top of the page. The positive impact of AI on employment. One potential positive impact of AI on employment is that it can create new job opportunities. For example, AI technology can be used to improve the efficiency of many industries, leading to the creation of new jobs in areas such as data analysis and software engineering. Additionally, AI technology can help to automate repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up employees to focus on more creative and strategic work. The negative impact of AI on employment. On the other hand, AI technology also has the potential to replace human jobs. As AI becomes more advanced, it may be able to perform tasks that were previously only done by humans, such as customer service and data entry. This could lead to a significant decrease in the number of available jobs in these industries. Now it's time for an exercise. Take a moment to think about the potential impact of AI on your current or future career. Consider the positive and negative effects that AI could have on your industry and job role. Write down your thoughts and reflect on how you can prepare for these potential changes. We encourage you to share your answer in the comments. Conclusion. So, is AI going to create or destroy jobs? The answer is not straightforward. While AI has the potential to create new job opportunities and improve efficiency in many industries, it also has the potential to replace human jobs. It's important to keep in mind that the impact of AI on employment will vary depending on the industry and job role. It's also important to stay up to date on AI advancements and continuously develop new skills to remain relevant in the job market. I hope that this content was actually useful and that it brought you something new. Thank you for joining me in this lecture on the impact of AI on employment. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.